Guys, Sean here from Srkcycles.com, and we have $1,500 motorcycle. Okay, we have one, and that is this, and this is a Yamaha Maxim. Do not call it a Maxima, although we could just put a little A at the end of the M and call it a Maxima. This is a $1,500 bike, the cheapest bike we have by far. Let's see if it even runs. Let's take it for a spin. Looks like it's got a new battery. Ooh, check it out. High performance Yamaha YIC. I don't know what that means. All right, let's do it. Kickstand up. Grips feel dry rotted. Choke thing broken. It kind of works. Yeah, it works, but it's kind of not the easiest thing. Wow. All right. I'll take it. Pull the choke down. Choke down the whole way. Okay, there we go. All right. It's like an 81 something. If I had to guess, which I shouldn't have to guess what year the motorcycle I just bought is. All right, let's try the wheeler. So what is a Street Glide, Honda Rune, Honda Goldwing, BMW K1600 GTL all have in common? One, they're all for sale at my dealership, but two, we would only ever use tank straps to transport these bikes. Check out tank straps, the link's below. They're for sale on Amazon. All right, so I'm driving an old ancient, all right, Yamaha Maxim. And if you're anything like me, this is probably the type of bike that you've learned how to ride on. All right, hold up. All right, this was on Prime before. I'm gonna put it back on Prime. See if that's what it wants. Come on. You know what? Did they tell me that this thing's out of gas? Man, that would be annoying. I'll put this on reserve. Yeah. Let's look. Yeah, that's out of gas. Yeah, that's as out of gas. Okay, it ran off a Prime. There might be a little bit in reserve. Come on. All right, walking it back. All right, so I'm pushing the bike back. The guys are gone. We're almost there. And then put some gas in it. And we're gonna do it again. Hopefully the fun part. Not this part. Number one, always check to see if your bike has gas in it. All right, that's good. Let's put this on, because if you leave it in reserve and you run out, then you're done. But it should be on, once it's on, you should be able to put it on reserve, and it'd be good to have it on Prime. Try to put the choke on. Here we go. We did it. All right, let's just jump on it. Let's just ride. All right, we're back. Once I start getting going, I'll turn the choke off. Once I start getting going, is that what I said? make any sense. All right, I'll turn the choke off now with my thumb. And I'm pretty pumped. Hopefully this bike gets me farther than it did before. But I think this bike is going to be surprisingly fun. There's a fella. I bet he's coming to see me. Oh, no way. He's not coming to see me. He works at a place.
Car trouble, sir.
This is the second time. What? I got the right here. No, right up there. And it was out of gas. I walked the whole way back. I put gas in it. Then it shuts down on me again.
Is the gas on?
Yeah. I mean, I had it off a choke from riding it. You guys want to follow me on my test drive? All right. We're good. We got it working again. What the? So, I think I either blew a main fuse or the battery terminal got disconnected or something. But we got nothing. No lights, no nothing. The first thing you start with would be to look at the battery. But, I'm just gonna push it back and check it out in the shop. So there you go, $1,500 motorcycle. It's getting better every time. Every time I ride it, it gets a little bit better. I'm Sean from Srkcycles. Remember, it's not what you're riding, as long as it's actually moving. Because I'm just pushing. Alright guys, we'll see you later. Stay tuned. I'll test drive this beast. What's up guys, Sean here from Srkcycles, and thanks for watching the video. Click here to subscribe, click here to see more content, and as always, check out the description box to see our latest inventory and our killer deals, to see how to win a free motorcycle, and also to see our latest bikes and beards gear. We'll see you guys later. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where you're going.